Christmas everyone! I'm Veronica, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use the Christmas split screen pack to enhance your videos just like this. So here we are in the Wondershare Filmora video editor, and as you can see, I already have my project fully edited on the timeline. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Christmas split screen pack to create overlays like this, using the split screen feature in Wondershare Filmora video editor. First up, let's have a look at what comes in the Christmas split screen pack. So you get 20 different overlays. If you wish to preview any of them, you simply have to double click on the preview and you'll get this playback on the right side. Once you're ready to go back to your timeline, all you have to do is click back on it. And once you've decided which overlay you want to use, all you have to do is click and drag the overlay onto your timeline. The next step would be to go into the split screen tab and select the split screen that matches the best with your template. But I think this one with the 3 parts will work just fine. How you can adjust the footage in the split screen to better match your overlay. Without any footage, this is what the overlay will look like, so you have this animation in each window. I've added an additional widescreen underneath my footage just to make the animations look a little bit more cohesive with the overlay. You can easily download a widescreen like this from Google Images, or you can even make your own. So I'm just quickly going to copy this and pop it right underneath the split screen and the overlay, and drag out the side to match the length. Now the next step would be to add the footage into your split screen. To do that, you need to double click on the split screen on your timeline, and you'll get this media tab right here where you can select your footage and you can click and drag it into the windows. So for example, let's use this footage of the deer in the first picture. Then we can have the car going through the forest. And lastly, let's have the view of the mountains. Now, in order to adjust the footage to match the windows in the overlay, you have to double click on the footage in the preview and you'll get this control panel, which you can use to make your footage smaller or larger. And you can also drag it around simply by clicking and dragging it on the preview. Now you just have to repeat this for every single clip in the split screen. So once you're done, this is what your overlay should look like. You can also adjust the length of the split screen and the overlay by dragging the sides in and out. But be mindful of not making it too long, as when the split screen runs out of the footage, it simply stops the image on the last frame of whatever your video is playing. And you can also sprinkle in a few transitions just to make it a little bit smoother of when the footage goes into the overlay. Adding transitions is very simple. The one that I'm using is from the Christmas gift pack, and all you have to do is click and drag the transition onto your timeline, and you can drag the sides in and out to adjust the length of it. Now that's pretty much how simple it is to make these overlays using the split screen feature in Filmora video editor. So go ahead and start making your own. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful and I gave you some ideas on how to use the Christmas split screen pack in your own videos. If you are interested in the pack, there will be a link to it in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Filmstock channel so that you never miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!